दोस्तों इस क्लास में आपको डिक्टेशन दूंगा मैं 100 WPM पर 600 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है, आपको डिक्टेशन में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं। बी रेडी फॉर इट। These two appeals against the decision of the Customs, Excise and Service Tax Appellate Tribunal rendered on 16th July 2008 require adjudication on the question as to whether car matting would come within Chapter 57 of the first schedule to the Central Excise Tariff Act 1985 under the heading Carpets and Other Textile Floor Coverings, or they would be classified under Chapter 87 thereof, which relates to vehicles other than railway or tramway, rolling stock and parts and accessories thereof. The appeals are against a common decision, and we shall also deal with both these appeals together in this judgment. The respondent SSE want their goods to be placed under chapter heading 5703. We shall refer to the specific entries against this item later in the judgment. The respondent at the material point of time were engaged in the business of manufacture of textile floor coverings and car matting. The subject goods have been referred to interchangeably by the revenue also as car mattings and car carpets. The respondent at the material time were clearing the goods, declaring them to be goods against heading number 570390. Effective rate of excise duty on goods under that entry was 8% and education cess at the applicable rate for the period. We find this rate of duty inter alia from the order of the Commissioner dealing with the first and the second show cause notices. The rate of basic excise duty would have been 16% apart from education cess if these goods were classified against goods specified in heading number 8708. Although 3 show cause notices were issued against the respondent over clearance of goods under the said heading, these notices required them to answer as to why they should not be charged the differential rate of duty and interest. We would like to point out here that in the show cause notices, the respective chapter subheadings have been referred to, and in the order of the tribunal also, the subheadings have been referred to as such. But the authorities themselves in certain places described the subheadings in shorter numerical forms as 5703 and 8708. We find these minor variations in the paper book, but this variation of the subheadings represented in numerical form is not of any significance so far as adjudication of these appeals are concerned. The respondent were also to answer as to why penalty should not be imposed upon them in terms of Section 38A of the Central Excise Act 1944, read with Rule 25 of the rules made thereunder. The first show cause notice is dated 9th August 2005 in regard to clearance of goods made. They had cleared altogether several pieces of those items in different sizes in that period. The second show cause notice was issued related to clearance of 12,000 pieces of the same goods. The third show cause notice is of the clearance involved 20,000 pieces. For the period involved, In the third show cause notice, clearance was made by the respondent under chapter subheading number 570500, which carried effective rate of duty at 8%. By the time the third show cause notice was issued, the adjudicating authority of first instance, Commissioner Central Excise, had passed the order against the respondent upon considering their responses to the said two show cause notices. In this judgment, we shall mainly refer to this order while examining the decision of the tribunal. The authority's stand has been that the subject items ought to be classified under subheading 8708.99.00. Against chapter heading 8708, the goods described are parts and accessories of motor vehicles of headings 8701 to 8705. The subheadings against tariff item numbers 8701 to 8705 refer to 5 categories of vehicles. दोस्तों इसी के साथ डिक्टेशन फिनिश होती है। इस डिक्टेशन में आपको ज़रूर प्रॉब्लम आई होगी जहाँ पर डेसिमल में आप देख रहे होंगे, पॉइंट में मैंने बोला है, या कई सारे इसमें जैसे सब हेडिंग्स के आए हैं। तो इस तरीके के मैटर्स आपको करना इसलिए अच्छा रहता है क्योंकि देखिए बाकी सारा मैटर तो इंग्लिश में ही आना है, जो आना है जो आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, लेकिन ये जो न्यूमेरिकल्स इस तरीके से आते हैं ये आपके लिए हिंड्रेंस है। तो आप कैसे इनसे ओवरकम करते हैं, इसलिए इस तरीके की डिक्टेशन मैंने ये आपके लिए अरेंज की है ताकि आप हर सिचुएशन के लिए तैयार रहें एग्जाम में, चाहे वो न्यूमेरिकल में आ जाए, चाहे कैसे आ जाए, चाहे डेट फॉर्म आ जाए, जैसे 9 अगस्त आया, इस तरीके से डेट आई है, तो इसके लिए आप तैयार रहें। क्योंकि अगर कुछ भी इस तरीके का मैटर आपके लिए आ जाता है तो आपके लिए वो ईजी रहे। आपसे मुलाकात करूंगा अगली क्लास में अगली ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर।